Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your Verizon Wi-Fi extender which is fast blinking white. So here's a guide for your boot loop and firmware update progress. Fix 1. Wait for the extender to finish starting up. A solid white light means it's connected and working. If it continues blinking rapidly, move on to the next steps. Fix 2. Restart the router and extender. Unplug the Verizon router and Wi-Fi extender. Wait for 30 seconds and plug the router back in and wait until it's fully online. Plug the extender back in. Wait for several minutes to see if the white light turns solid. Fix 3. Move the extender closer to the router. Place the extender within 20 to 30 feet of the router during setup. Keep it away from the thick walls, metal objects, microwaves, and cordless phones. Once connected, you can move it to a better location if needed. Fix 4. Check the Ethernet cable if it is wired. Make sure the cable is firmly connected at both the ends. Try a different Ethernet cable. Test another LAN port on the router. Fix 5. Check the router's internet connection. Verify the router has internet access. Connect the phone or computer directly to the router and confirm it can browse the web. Resolve any router or internet issues before reconnecting the extender. Fix 6. Factory reset the Wi-Fi extender. Keep the extender powered on. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button and wait for the extender to restart. Set it up again using the Verizon router. Fix 7. Check for firmware updates. Sign in to your Verizon router's admin page. Check for available firmware updates for the router and extender. Install any available updates and restart both the devices. Fix 8. Contact your Verizon router support. If the extender still flashes white after trying these steps, the extender may have a hardware issue or requires additional troubleshooting. You can contact Verizon support for further assistance or a possible replacement. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.